Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to back up data to the cloud on Blackshark Pad 7 Pro. So first, if you want to back up your data to the cloud, what you guys want to do first is go over into settings. Once you're in settings, you should scroll down almost all the way to system, and right here we will have the backup. Now, as you guys can see, we will open up our backup and we want to make sure that we have our Google account connected to the tablet. And I'm talking about the normal Google account. For example, as you guys can see, I have an account right here. I'm able to use the Play Store, and that's what you need an account for. Here, you will see that you can also back up your videos and pictures. As you guys can see, there's basically nothing to back up on my tablet, but I will have old pictures from other devices. As you guys can see, it's synced with Google Photos. Now we can click on backup now, and of course we have to confirm, and as you guys can see, now it is backing up. So that's how you guys can back up your data to the cloud on the Blackshark Pad 7 Pro. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then you want to make sure that you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next one. Bye.